Oh, it's about to turn green. And we gone, just like that.
We locked in for life. Pouring up the cream sodas, but bring a spray. Fill my cup up with just lean and ice.
Alright, y'all, this is setup. This is setup. Y'all see that bitch spinning, boy? This is setup. Yeah. Accord K24z3 turbo. It don't come factory like this. They go to downpipe and the intake come from behind it. You feel me? It's a little messy, but during the summer we gonna get it right. I'm not worried about it right now. As long as the bitch works, it's my daily. But yeah. It's the car. It's the car right here, man. 5-speed. Yeah. Stock map sensor. Stock map sensor. K-Tuner do not support 4-bar. K-Tuner, please support 4 bars so I can up the boost on this bitch, man. Come on, I'm trying to see what this bitch can do. Know what I mean? But yeah, this is the setup, gang. It's the setup. Let me get out the bumper cracked right now because during the snowstorm my shit fell off. I'll insert the clip right here. Alright, but yeah, I mean it's still ugly, but and we on the max speed coils. Ooh, them Jones, I'm not gonna lie, they get a lot of hate, but for me, them shits feel good. I mean, they do justice for me. I mean, they feel good. So, yeah, I might raise the car just a little bit because it's too low and I'm scraping my intercooler piping. All right, a new piping. But yeah, this is the car. Take a look. Let's lower the angle. Boom, bang. I gotta get some dog food for my dog. So, yeah, I'm gonna cut the video right here for y'all. Thanks for watching. See y'all soon.